a common sight. Yeah, we're watching your favorite show. The chickies are watching too. We're watching Slide Dog stuff. Hey chickies, are you spying on Sojou? Or are you just all roosting together today? Funny. Birds of a feather, even Alaskan Malamutes, they flock together. Silly Billy. They're going to sleep soon. Yeah, you can help me put them to sleep in their coop. They want to hang out with you. You're so funny. You're just the funniest. I love you. I love you all, you guys. Crazy chickens. Alaskan Malamute. Sojoo Trooney. Ugh, funny.